to Manchester because they have the most first-class seats that I'll probably get on. My first flight of the day is delayed out of Myrtle Beach, but I still have plenty of time in DC. But once I get to DC, trying to get out of there, hopefully we leave on time, get into Manchester a little bit early. The wildfires here in Myrtle Beach have been insane. 1 minute, sky is clear, looks like a beautiful beach day. The next, looks like we're driving through the town of Silent Hill or something. Getting smoked out. What up? So I made it to Myrtle Beach International. Figured this captain knew where he was going, so I followed him through TSA. Made it through TSA, and as you can see, the construction for Myrtle Beach is ongoing. They're doing a beautiful renovation, expansion to the airport, adding some gates to the A terminal. Made my way down to gate A2, where my plane was waiting for me. Today, I will be flying on the CRJ 700. Right at boarding, I had a seat change to an aisle seat. Really didn't want an aisle seat because I wanted the views of the friendly skies. So, spoke with the flight attendant, and she was happy to give me a row to myself. So, I got the window seat that I wanted. Shortly after getting settled in, it was time to push back and taxi out of Myrtle Beach and on our way to DCA. Settled into my seat, tried to hook up my iPad to the outlet, and nope, wasn't working. So didn't get to watch my episode across. So laid back, caught some Z's instead. But before I knew it, we were descending down into windy Washington, D.C. Got a good view of National Harbor and MGM Casino. Lined up on runway 1, and the captain, I believe, is going to make a very beautiful landing. Let's take a look.
Washington, D.C., where the local time is 12:10 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until that seatbelt sign has been turned off and we are completely stopped at the gate. And keep the aisle clear of all carry-on items.
Made it to our gate in the econ course, and that was perfect because it puts me right there at my favorite Admirals Club in the nation, the newly opened E-Terminal Admirals Club. Check it out. After a bite to eat and a few drinks, it was time to make my way down to gate E57 to another, you guessed it, CRJ 700. Made it to the gate and received my seat assignment, which was 2D. Got on board and found out that I got the row to myself. But then maintenance had to come on board and delay us for a little bit. Some type of computer issue, I believe. But it was not long before we were taxiing out to runway 1 for takeoff and enjoying a great view of the National Mall and our nation's capital city. All settled in, I find out again there's no power to the outlet. That's the second flight. But this time I still watched an episode of Cross. Had made my way back to the laboratory, very cramped here in the CRJ 700. And back to the seat where I observed the snow-covered land and frozen lakes of New Hampshire. My first time to this state, by the way. It was a fun ride coming into land into Manchester. I later learned that there was an aircraft advisory for wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. But no go around this time as the pilot came in and made a perfect landing. So we quickly made it into the gate, and I took a tour of the terminal area. Everything was shutting down. There was only one more flight that was leaving out after we got in around 5 in the evening. In my next video, I'll have a more detailed tour of the airport. Some pretty interesting things that I found outside of the terminal area. And right now I'm gonna head down, catch my hotel shuttle. Made it to the shuttle area, hiding in the ramp area because the wind's blowing pretty strong. I could tell whenever we were coming in, the plane was getting rocked around a little bit, but the pilot actually made one hell of a landing. So I'm waiting for the shuttle now and go to the hotel and relax a little. Made it to my hotel. I was staying at the Doubletree downtown Manchester. Got settled in just in time for sunset. Watched the sunset over the mountains of New Hampshire. And I want to thank all of y'all for joining me on this day journey to Manchester. This is the first of many travel videos I'll be doing, so please like and subscribe.